All right, so today we have this laptop here at IT Evolution. As you can see, started the battery started in fire, which is not good. Um, anyway, the customer brought it in to see if we can retrieve the information out of it. So in this case, we will have to remove the screws. They already removed these three screws right here. There's three right here, and there is two more hiding in here. I already started removing the screws because I wasn't planning on making a video, but I thought this one was going to be helpful for people who's watching. So be very careful. If you feel like your computer is getting really hot, or the battery is expanding, is getting fluffy, you should be able to tell right away and stop using it. Stop using it. Call the company, call manufacturer, and you can probably save a laptop or your home in the worst case. So anyway, this is an HP Pavilion 15 inch. We want to start removing the bottom cover to see if we can retrieve the information. Hopefully, if the hard drive is not damaged, we should be able to get the computer up and running. We want to just go around. This one right here, all the plastic melts together, so I'm not sure how good. The customer doesn't care about the laptop anymore. She just wants her pictures and personal information out. Gonna go around so you can see there's a little chart in there. So we're gonna have to use one of my opening tools here. Hopefully we can pop the cover up. As you can see the battery here. Now I gotta be careful. That might start on fire as well. Maybe this one is the main one of the metal ones, the metal terminals. And the rest are going to be probably damaged or ready to start on fire as well. We want to avoid that. Okay, we keep going around. This screw came off. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of chart under. So hopefully the hard drive is still in good condition. So we can retrieve the information. Oh, there is another screw right there. No wonder why. Sometimes the laptops only have two, one on each side, but I guess this one can have an extra one. Here we go. So we have it out. That's the battery right there. This is how it looks. It really smells bad. So we have the solid state drive right here. Seems to be intact. Hopefully that's the case. You can see all the melting plastic right here because the computer started on fire. So I'm glad the customer was able to put it out without any further damage. So the main thing for me right now is trying to get rid of this, battery, so this is a fire hazard for me as well to have it here at my shop. So obviously this computer is totally damaged, so that's going to be there for right now. All right, the main thing is going to be the SSD. Luckily, is not too close to the battery, so we can see that it's still dirty and stuff. But we should be able to retrieve the information out of it. So just so you know, I'm making this video to make you think about when you have a computer. This is real. You know, if you have a laptop that's overheating, feels it's too hot in here, make sure you stop using it, bring it to a technician to see what's going on, to make sure you don't run into these issues because you don't want your home on fire. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this solves um, some work for other people and save some lives more than anything because very, very dangerous. All right, thanks for watching.